Hello, good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel here in the Centurion Lounge on board going to Istanbul. We have a long layover and we're going to Ashgabat, Turkmenistan, arriving here in Ashgabat. Hello, good morning guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is June 2nd now, 2026. So right now I'm here in Ashgabat here in Turkmenistan. So basically we left LA May 31st, and then we landed in Istanbul. It was a very long 12-hour flight, and then we had a 7 hours layover, and then finally Istanbul to Ashgabat. So basically Turkmenistan is one of the countries in Asia, maybe like in the world, na mahirap talaga puntahan. So before you come here, you have to make sure na meron kayong registered na tour company. Like for us, we booked our tour in, I think it's Young Pioneer Tours. And then after that, we have to like fill up yung mga declaration form for visa. Tapos meron silang mga manuals or mga literature kung ano yung dapat pwede namin gawin. Dapat pwede namin ikilos. Tsaka yung mga pwede namin dadalhin. So basically, our letter of invitation came. And then that is finally na binook na namin yung mga plane tickets namin kasi medyo mahirap kumuha ng flights dito sa Turkmenistan, dito sa Ashgabat. So nag-land kami, and then hinihingi talaga yung unang-una yung letter of invitation. Pagkatapos we need to have like the swab test for COVID, and then we need to get the visa, pay, and then finally get our passport na may tatak na, and then papasok pa kami sa immigration. And then after that, magde-declare pa kami ng mga bagay, na mga dadalhin na, yung mga luggages namin. So right now, it's like 3:30 in the morning. Tapos ang problema, pagdating namin dito sa hotel, wala yung pangalan ko sa reservation. So, 3 o'clock, kasi naka-reserve daw ako ng 1 o'clock PM pa. So, parang gusto ko sana makitulog dun sa mga friends ko. Kaya lang hindi daw pwede. So, very, very strict sila dito. So, gusto ko na ngayon sana mag-book na ng ibang hotel. Kaya lang, yan, finally, kinausap namin basically yung tour guide namin, si Jack. And ayos naman. And basically guys, I'm gonna give you a room tour. So, ito lang yung room namin. Or yung room ko pala. So, solo yung room ko dito. Yung toilet, talagang very, very basic lang. Amenities and all that. Tapos may bathtub naman, may shower. And then, ito yung bed nila. Phone. And then, ito ang aking view sa labas. So, hindi ako masyado nakatulog sa plane. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon... Sorry guys, hindi pala naka-record. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is matutulog lang. And tomorrow, basically, today na nga free day namin. So, breakfast kami. And then pupunta kami sa market. Siguro may mamimili kami ng souvenirs. And ano pa ba? Magpapapalit ng currency. And maybe go to the mall. And then we're gonna be here for like 3 days lang. And then, marami pa tayong stands na pupuntahan. Lilibutin natin ng Central Asia, guys. So, yung mga nagtatanong at naka-curious kung ano ba talaga yung stands na sinasabi ko, well, stay tuned, guys. And see you!
Hi, we're in Ashgabat. And it's our very first day. Again.
So, hi guys. Welcome to the vlog again. So, katatapos na namin mag-breakfast. At ang init-init. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. Free day namin today. So, iniisip namin na mag-malling na lang kami. And tonight, may meeting kami ng mga taga Young Pioneer Tours. Around 6 o'clock. And then, we're gonna talk about kung ano yung mga activities namin for the next few days. So guys, checking out yung vicinity malapit sa hotel. So we check out the store. Ito yung groceries nila. Maraming spices, pasta, and this view is puro white. Parang marble city siya na puro white. We're going to the mall. Bali kumuha lang kami ng taxi. So ito yung pinaka-mall nila. Maganda, surprisingly. And very clean. Konti lang yung masyadong tao kasi medyo maaga pa. So maglilibot-libot na lang muna kami dito.
About 3 or 4 times.
Hi, good morning guys, and welcome back to the vlog. It's 6:30 in the morning of June 3rd. So kahapon, nag-taxi kami, pumunta kami sa Berkar Mall. It only cost 30 manat. Minat kasi yung currency ng Turkmenistan. So parang nasa $4-5 lang siya, 15 minutes away from the city center. Then ang ganda-ganda ng mall nila. And then, nabili ko to dun sa kanila. This is made in, hindi ko alam kung real all of it. But, maganda yung tela niya. And napakalaki at napakaganda ng mall. Hindi mo makakalain na nasa Turkmenistan ka. Bali guys, ang Turkmenistan is one of the richest country, I think. Kasi nung pagdating ko dito talagang marble. At tapos yung mga buildings nila, hindi sila nagsasapawan. Parang uniform lahat, ang ganda-ganda ng color. And then also meron din silang oil. Tsaka center ito ng trade ng Silk Road noon. And then after that, we went back to the hotel. Natulog muna kami. And then, minit namin yung mga iba pa namin mga kasama sa tour. So, bali 18 kami lahat. And then, nag-dinner. Hindi na kami nakapaglakad-lakad kasi closed naman daw ang bazaar. So, natulog na lang. Ang aga ko nagising actually. And then, nag-pack na ako kasi tonight, mag-overnight kami dun sa The Gate of Hell na yung pinaka-highlight ng tour namin here in Turkmenistan, in Ashgabat. Tapos itong luggage, iiwan lang namin to doon sa sa lobby. And then after that, ito ulit yung hotel na gagamitin namin on our last day before kami pumunta ng airport. And then guys, alam niyo nung nasa mall kami, nakita namin may mga bata. Hindi mo na siguro mga teenager na nagtatrabaho. So parang siguro part ito ng curriculum nila. So kinausap ko yung isa doon. Ang sabi nila, holiday now nila. And then parang it's just nice to know na yung mga kabataan na kasing age nila, as early as that age, tinuturuan na sila on how to work and how to earn money. Hindi katulad ng mga bata sa ibang mundo, sa US especially, sa Philippines na parang spoiled sila, na parang everything has to be served on a silver platter. But anyway, it's really, really nice to know lang. And, ayan guys, so, hinihintay ko lang yung breakfast. And also, masarap yung food dito, especially yung kinain namin kagabi. Chicken dynamite ang tawag doon. Tsaka, mura lang siya. And also, nag-groceries din kami, siguro. Yung mga chocolates, yung mga chips na pinamili namin, water, wala pang $1. And then, ano pa ba? So, yun lang. So, dadalhin ko kayo kung ano yung tinatawag na Hell's Gate. And for those of you who haven't accepted the Lord Jesus Christ as their Savior, kung ayaw nyo mapunta sa Gate of Hell, I think you should do so. Anyway, I'll see you later, guys. Guys, stop over muna kami dito sa mosque. And then, napakaganda niyang mosque. And one of the biggest mall dito sa Ashgabat. And then yung mga ka-group ko, nag-explain. And yeah, dito kami ngayon sa parang Independence Square nila. Unfortunately, hindi kami pwede kumuha ng picture na may kasamang soldier. So, kaya itong video na to medyo patagula. And, so guys, this is another stop of our tour. Memorial. Tapos, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo yung picture. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng masyadong kumuha ng film. Kasi nga, hindi ko pwedeng kumuha ng picture ng mga soldiers. May soldiers?
That's okay.
Oh, okay?
They might seem like
Ay.
so
Hey brother, you're really not on time. Go off. Go off.
Nagtataka lang ako guys sa ilang araw namin dito sa Ashgabat. Parang wala yata kaming nakitang mga tao dito na naglalakad sa daan. And sabi naman ng tour guide namin, yung entrance daw doon sa mga building na yan eh nasa...
Look at the
So, ito naman yung crater, parang man-made siya na ginawa lang, na hinukay lang ng mga Soviets before. So, this is on our way to the Gate of Hell. So guys, this is my yurt. And I'm really excited. This is my first time. So, nandiyan na yung crater straight ahead. And then we have restrooms. Yan ang restrooms, shower rooms. And then nandun yung aming dining. So, let's go inside my yurt. Guys, this is the yurt. Ayan lang siya, chair, trash, upuan. Guys, mayroon din pala siyang mga beddings. Nung binuksan ko, ayan, para kung malamig. So, okay na. Maganda yung ano. So, guys, pinaka-highlight ng tour namin is going to the Gate of Hell. So, we're walking lang from our yurt. Mga 5 minutes walk lang. Maraming na-disappoint dito sa Gate of Hell kasi they were not expecting na yung apoy medyo kumukonti na lang. Sabi nila hindi naman daw worth it, but for me, yung experience lang talaga. Siguro sa gabi, mas maganda, so balikan na lang natin mamaya. This is the night view. Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to the vlog. It's na oras na ba? Around like 5:30 in the morning. So, bali nag-overnight kami dito sa yurts. Yan, so nakita niyo naman sa background ko. Isa dyan yung yurt ko. So, wala talaga. Room lang talaga. And then, this is the toilet na masyadong mabagal yung yung shower. So banlaw lang talaga guys. And then we're leaving today na din. Babalik na kami ng Ashgabat. So it will gonna take us another like 4 hours to go. And actually this is my last day in Turkmenistan. And yeah. Alright guys, here, souvenir shopping. May souvenir shopping kami guys. Shop!
One is vegetarian, and that one I think is also
This is
vegetarian.
our farewell dinner from the company. Chinese restaurant.
This one is with meat, I think.
And we get to see the view of Ashgabat at night for one more time. It's very nice. We're 19 miles away from the Iranian border. Pero hindi naman nakakatakot. Hi guys, good morning. Today is June 5. It's almost 4:30 in the morning. So this concludes our tour dito sa Turkmenistan. So ano pa bang ginawa namin? After the yurt, overnight, so umuwi kami. And then we went to the bazaar. And ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede niyong bilhin doon. May mga spices, may mga clothes, a lot of souvenirs. And then after the bazaar, we went to the museum na antok na ako. Hindi ko na rin maintindihan kung ano yung history ng Turkmenistan. But it's a very interesting. Kung gusto nyo i-google nyo na lang. Kasi ganun na rin lang ang gagawin ko. And then may mga city tour pa and all that. Then we went back to the hotel. So I was able to pack and rest for a bit, took a shower, and then we went on nag-dinner kami. So they served us yung Chinese food, and it cost 200 manat. Siguro mga wala pa yatang $20 yon. And then we saw yung sights ng Ashgabat, parang 360 degrees ang city view niya. And makikita mo rin yung many mountains. Yun yung tawag dun sa mountain na nagse-separate sa border ng Iran and ng Turkmenistan. And then it's only like 19 miles away, din yung border from our hotel. Natawa nga ako kasi nung tinatanong ng kasama ko yung kung kunyari kung anong mangyari, what will gonna happen, sabi ng tour guide namin the first thing that you should avoid is you should avoid going to US Embassy kasi yun yung unang ibobomba. So parang may pagka anti-US yung Turkmenistan, or maybe like yung tour guide ko lang, considering the fact na Turkmenistan is declared by the United Nations with documentation na the only country in the world na neutral, pero parang they're leaning toward syempre yung kapitbahay nilang Iran. And ano pa ba, I think sapat na yung 3-4 days and all that, kasi ang binigay sa akin na visa is only like 10 days. So we're gonna head out to the airport today. Hindi ko nga alam kung may breakfast kami and all. And yung mga kasama ko, they were gonna, yung half of, or like maybe like the YPT tour group were gonna go to they were gonna fly to they were gonna fly to the border of Uzbekistan, and then from there diretso yung tour nila for 3 weeks. Kami naman, we're gonna go to Bishkek. So from Ashgabat, Istanbul, maybe lalabas kami, and kasi ang tagal ng namin ng layover namin, more than 10 hours. And then after that, Istanbul na to Bishkek, where I'm gonna meet yung mga nasa G Adventures. And sayang nga lang yung ibang kasama ko nag-cancel, but this trip will gonna be like very worth. And that's all for today, guys. See you in Istanbul.